Well, this week has seen a slew of corporate results with particular focus on the mining sector. Anglo American subsidiaries Kumba Iron Ore and Anglo American Platinum both reported a swing into profit for the full year 2016 compared to earnings losses in 2015. Gold miner Goldfields reported headline earnings of $191 million for 2016 compared to a $45 million loss the previous year.
The commodities markets complex has generally seen buoyant prices, and this has proven to be a boon for mining houses, which languished in losses in 2015. Apart from better prices, the common theme for improved performance among these companies was better production efficiencies.
We had a good underlying production performance. So production performance was up by 2%, and it was actually right across our suite of production. So we saw our own mined operations were up by 5%. We saw our JV operations were up by 2%. Our non-core operations, Union Mine, was up by 7%. So it was great to see right across the business, except for Rustenburg, where we had some loss of production due to fatalities. But generally, production was very good, very solid, up 2%. But more importantly than that, we had a fantastic unit cost performance.
While reporting healthy earnings for 2016, both Anglo Platinum and its sister company, Kumba Iron Ore, decided against awarding shareholders with a dividend. While Anglo's share fell on the day in line with the general market, Kumba's stock got hammered to the tune of over 8%, which suggests that shareholders may have been hoping to get something.
The reason behind the decision around the dividend is largely true to the experiences that we've had in the recent past. We are a single play commodity, iron ore. We are highly susceptible to the changing market conditions, primarily around price, around exchange rate, around freight. And our view is that because of that volatility and the likelihood of the moderation of the iron ore prices, it was prudent for the board to say that we need to ensure that we remain ungeared for the short to medium term and to be more conservative given the recent past learnings.
Goldfields said the gold price rising by $100 an ounce was positive and that ultimately the business was well positioned to take advantage of the price.
What is really nice is our operations delivered into it, and we were able to deliver on our guidance. In fact, we over-delivered on our production guidance and our cost guidance for the year. So we were able to enjoy the fruits of the higher gold price. Often you find the gold price goes up and then you don't produce the ounces into it. So I'm really proud of our teams. They've done a super job in making sure that we were able to benefit from that gold price.
Retailer Woolworths also came out with results for the 22 weeks to the 25th of December. Historically the darling of retail, they came under pressure with lower headline earnings. And in the low-cost aviation space, Comair reported a profit of 199 million rand for the 6 months ended 2016, compared to a profit of 83 million for the same period in 2015. A day after posting its results, it won an anti-competition lawsuit against South African Airways. The South Gauteng High Court ruled that SAA must pay the carrier 1.16 billion rand. Their share price jumped 18% on the day. Nompumelelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.